All right, so just kind of going through your stats on this 9 holes, just kind of the assessment of what we're going to do over the next series of, actually we said 6 lessons, but it's actually 5 lessons total. We'll have 4 more lessons, and we'll kind of do a couple lessons, and then we'll do another assessment.
Okay.
And to kind of do another playing lesson. So the next 2 times we're going to be on the range or be with flight scope and kind of looking at some things.
Okay.
I think we're going to start off on the short game.
Okay.
So if we look at your stats for today, you hit 7 out of 9 greens. You hit 6 out of 7 fairways. So I mean, your tee to green game is phenomenal.
Right.
But one of the issues that you did have was, well, technically the only up and down that you did have was the one that you putted in for the eagle.
Right.
So technically you were 0 for 3s on up and down. So if you missed the green, we weren't capitalizing on that. So I think we both are in the same boat as saving par is just as important as making birdie.
Yeah.
You know, to really get those scores down, because if you would have saved those 3 shots, you would have shot 4 under.
Yeah.
That's a big difference. You shot 1 under, and you would have shot 4 under just doing a couple little up and downs.
Right.
So I think that's going to be the area of focus that we're going to start off.
Okay.
Even though you did putt very well, I think that'll be the second area of focus. So our next lesson is going to be all about chipping and putting.
Perfect.
And we're going to really focus on those 2 things and see if we can't tighten that up a little bit, because tee to green, you're phenomenal. We just got to work on the up and downs and try to get a little bit more 1 putts.
Okay.
Because even your proximity wasn't that bad.
Right.
So we'll kind of, I didn't think about proximity. Thinking back through the round, I didn't see a really big.
Right.
I didn't think the dispersion was too bad. So we'll just kind of look at putting, and we'll look at short game, see if we can't tighten that up. So,
Okay.
all right, well, great first lesson. I think there were some good things that you did. A lot of it was just more of an assessment, but really thinking about the different, it's good to see kind of what you're doing out there. And, based on what you're thinking, as we went through shots, you kind of told me what your mind was thinking. So that's a big help to me to kind of move forward with planning a full lesson package for you.
Okay.
All right. Any questions?
Nope. Sounds
All right.
good.
Awesome. Appreciate the time.
Yes, sir.